Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BOBAOPPA token. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. This is a brand new token here, and we're going to go over the information on this meme token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this project here. So this token here has basically just a Twitter that I could find anyways. And there's a news article regarding the information on this token here about their pre-sale. So they're talking about, this is one of the biggest Solana meme coin pre-sales in history. So that's why I wanted to talk about this token, but it was very hard to find information on this token here. So they have here a Twitter, which is at, let me just scroll up to the top here. So their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. They don't even have a banner. They're just joined in March 2024. 29,700 Twitter followers at BOBAOPPA. Now, they're getting a brand new central exchange listing here starting as well. So their pinned tweet is just a picture of a dog. And it says, I'm BOBAOPPA. So it's basically named after this dog here. And yeah, just if you scroll through their tweets, it's just lots of dog pictures and talking about their pre-sale. So they had a pre-sale address that basically they put on their Twitter here. And 14 hours ago, it says closing in a few hours, minimum 1 SOL purchase. And then they have the contract address, or the pre-sale address, I should say, where people were sending their SOL to. And looks like their pre-sale is now over, and it was just announced that they're getting a brand new central exchange listing. So on xt.com, they say the meme project on the Solana blockchain, led by Machi Big Brother Huang Lichin, has the largest pre-sale volume on the Solana chain ever. And then it has a link to their Twitter. And that is basically all the info that they put on XT regarding this project. So it says here, this is on a tweet from xt.com exchange, which you can find at XT exchange on x.com. It says, BOBAOPPA will be initially listed on xt.com in the innovation zone under the USDT pair. And then they have a link to at BOBAOPPA on Twitter. And then they also have a link to at Machi Big Brother on Twitter. And it says, stay tuned for the schedule of deposit, withdrawal, and trading. So they don't have an exact date yet, but if you follow at BOBAOPPA, or even if you follow at Machi Big Brother, they might talk about it there. But definitely if you follow at XT Exchange, they're going to announce when trading, deposits, withdrawals will open for the BOBAOPPA token, in case you're interested in getting it. And then probably around the same time as that listing date, they're going to get listed on like RAYDIUM and Jupiter, and other exchanges like ORCA for, decentralized Solana exchanges, basically. So let's check out here, Machi Big Brother on Twitter. So this person here has looks like they have a Bored Ape avatar, or Bored Ape profile picture, I should say. They have 162,000 Twitter followers. And it says, let me see if they're even, yeah, so they are talking about BOBAOPPA on this Twitter here. So if you're familiar with this person, maybe then you have more faith in this project. But very scarce information on the project as well. Biggest Solana presale in history they're talking about, so that's pretty crazy. But yeah, this person here is retweeting about them. They're getting an xt.com listing. And their original Twitter here, the BOBAOPPA one, only has 22 posts, it says. So, yeah, and then I found one news article about this project. So shout out to cryptobriefing.com for this news article. So if you want to read about this project a little bit, they have a little article, cryptobriefing.com, and it's called Meme Coin Presale Raises Over $40 million in Solana in Less Than 24 Hours. So Machi Big Brother is behind the BOBAOPPA meme coin and is asking for a 1 SOL minimum deposit for users who want to become eligible for its airdrop. So there you go. So it says a Solana address received over $40 million within 24 hours in the latest episode of the meme coin presale mania. A user on X who goes by BOBAOPPA published the wallet address for investors interested in joining the presale of a dog-themed meme coin BOBAOPPA with 1 SOL minimum investment. The dog used to illustrate and promote the meme coin is a pet of Jeffrey Huang, who is also the person behind the presale. So, I mean, if you are familiar with Jeffrey Huang, who that person is, maybe you trust this person, I don't know, maybe you know everything about them so they're fully doxed. That might be a good security measure, but just keep in mind, I haven't seen a quick audit, any sort of security on this token besides this person's name. So keep that in mind. So the crypto community better knows Huang as Machi Big Brother, a controversial figure in crypto. Okay, well, anyway, I mean, maybe you don't trust this person. I don't know. This news article is saying that they are a controversial figure in crypto, accused of allegedly promoting decentralized finance project for his benefit, with most of these applications ending in losses for investors. I mean, almost every, I mean, if we're talking about crypto in general, are we going to say every project is successful? That's very hard to say, right? Like, how many meme coins have just blew up this year besides like Pepe, maybe like, or not even this year, that's like last year. Pepe, like Milady, and I mean, there's only a finite amount of tokens that excel. So is he saying, hey, buy this scam? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's very hard to say. I'll make this video saying, hey, be aware of this token. It could be risky, and people will go, you're promoting the token. I mean, just even mentioning a token is promoting it. So I don't know. Sometimes people use the word promoting wrong. Like, you could say, hey, guys, this token's a scam, and they'll go, you're promoting the token. You know what I mean? Like, so promoting, what does that mean, right? So anyways, I'm not saying this token is or isn't a scam, and I'm not saying this person did or did not do anything. I'm just saying this news article says that they've been promoting things for their benefit. I mean, why else would you promote something anyways? For what? I mean, it makes no sense. Anyways, so these allegations escalated after a blockchain sleuth who identifies himself as Zach X BTC published an article titled The Story of Machi Big Brother, where he addresses different projects where Huang allegedly took advantage of investors. This article promoted a defamation lawsuit against this person in June and was dropped in August of the same year after the blockchain sleuth agreed to change part of the article's content. So there, I don't know. So, I mean, this person kind of took back stuff that they said. So, I don't know. It's hard to say who's. I mean, this person, Zach X BT did an article for their benefit. You know what I mean? So you can say anything about it's crazy. As previously reported by Crypto Briefing, a meme coin presale investment model became popular after yada yada yada. So this risky type of investment became popular, for instance, on the Book of Meme token that amassed $100 million in SOL. So yeah, that token was very popular this year. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to say unless you have a fully 100% score audit that is perfect for this token. It's hard to say if it's going to be a scam or not. It's hard to say, like without a full KYC, Seifu badge, all these types of things, full CertiK or Hacken audit, whether or not any project is going to be, 100% safe. I would say no project is 100% safe, and there's always risk. I mean, who knows? I don't know this Zach dude, and I don't know this Huang person either. So definitely take it with a grain of salt. Very brand new presale that did amazing. They're getting this xt.com listing soon. But I would say, definitely do your own research on any project, including this one, before even thinking about investing. Even if this project raised an insane amount, that doesn't mean it's safe. Nothing means that it's safe. I mean, this Zach person did an article on them, but then took some things back. I don't know what he took back, yeah, I mean, that's a weird thing to label things as promotion unless you're saying straight up in the thing, hey guys, buy this. I don't think just talking about something is promotion. You know what I mean? Because I could be making a video going, hey guys, be aware of this. It could be risky. And people go, you're promoting it. And just from that experience myself, I go like, okay, well, what do I believe is promotion? You know what I mean? Because promotion to me is like, say, hey guys, go buy this, which I have never said in any video. And I don't know what this person said. But anyways, whatever, I'm rambling at this point. But this is a brand new project. They sold a crazy amount of tokens in 24 hours. And it's from this person who you may or may not know. And yeah, take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research. Go check it out before they get listed on XT and RAYDIUM and all that type of stuff. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.